Dear students, this is the continuation of revision itself. In this session, we are going to discuss about 1, 2 and 3 mark questions along with its answers. What is a network and what are its needs? We are having the definition with the first slide, and its needs are nothing but communication, remote login and data sharing. The second one, mention 2 advantages or sometimes it may be disadvantages of network that you already know. It is difficult to diagnose the fault. A skilled person is needed. The third one is how internet is formed and in which year. That is, it is collaboration of ARPANET and NSFNet in the year of 1990s. Define node, server, channel and protocol. These are coming under the topic of terminologies of networks. Compare different type of network on the basis of their application. That is, when we have to use LAN. That is, if we want to connect computers within a room, we can use LAN. If you want to connect computers within a city, we can use MAN. If you want to connect a system in one continent with another system in another continent, then we have to use WAN. Compare LAN and WAN on the basis of geographical area they spread over, which means the area it covers. The LAN, it covers only a small building or a room. WAN, it covers a country or a continent. Identify the type of network. When two persons connect their phone using Extender application, that is a LAN using Wi-Fi card. Next one, when your phone mobile data connection become on, that means a LAN connection. That means a WAN connection, WAN, wide area network. What is data transfer rate or baud rate? Baud rate is another name for data transfer rate. Write its units. We also discussed BPS, that is bits per second is the unit. The next set of questions are, which device is used for converting digital signal into analog and vice versa? Answer is modem. Write the uses of router. Router will connect dissimilar protocol networks. Sometimes a router will connect two switches, two networks also. Why switch is called an intelligent hub? It can identify the destination. Compare bridge and router. Bridge will connect only similar type of networks which is having similar type of protocol, whereas router will connect similar type of networks which is having different protocols. Why gateway device is important in network? Gateway is an expansion of router and repeater. Gateway can connect dissimilar networks like LAN and WAN. Identify the device which is used for the following situations. When we want to connect 10 computers in a room, either we need to use a hub or a switch. When we want to connect NIU with modem, we need a connector called RJ45 connector. For long distance communication more than 100 meter, either we need to connect a router or a router, or else we can use a repeater. When we want to connect LAN and MAN, we need a gateway. What is the difference between Ethernet card and Wi-Fi card? Ethernet card is a wired card, whereas Wi-Fi is a wireless card. Both are used for networking. The next set of questions are, identify the topology. having a central controlling unit which is available in star, having terminals at both ends. Terminals are included in bus topology. What are the advantages of star topology over bus topology? Star topology needs only less cable length than bus topology. The fault diagnosis and isolation or replacing of any node is very easy. Which topology is complex to configure? Because of all nodes are connected to some or all other networks or all nodes in a network. That is a mesh topology which connects all nodes together. What is another name of bus topology? Linear or line topology or resilient topology. What is URL? Uniform Resource Locator, which is the name of any object in web server. Give one example, that is www.google.com, or else you can write www.saintraphaelspalakkad.com. What is a domain name? In the URL, the third part is known as domain name. Domain name always followed by host name. Example is Google or Amazon or Flipkart. What is a top level domain name? The category in which the domain name falls. Examples are .com, .edu, .org, .gov, .in, .us, etc. I think you are all clear about the questions and the keywords which can be used to answer the questions. Thank you.